a Filipino. I'm 35 years old. My religion is Catholic. I'm married. I have 2 children. My husband is a farmer. I have 2 kids. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I'm a second child in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Lucy. How are you today?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, is honest, patient, and hardworking.
Okay, can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I think that teach the children. I give proper medicine and give food. Take a bath and give vitamins.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
I will say sorry and I promise I'll not do this again.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me and then I do my best in my work and then I finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Lucy, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.